Hello.
Good morning.
Morning, Judge Gonzalez.
Nope.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Okay, listen up, guy. This is Judge Gonzalez. I need everyone to place their devices on mute.
Okay.
If you're on your phone, you have to realize that there's other people in the courtroom. If you swipe to the left, I believe, or to the right, you can see everyone. But there's a lot of other people in the courtroom at this time. So at this time, I ask everyone to please place their devices on mute. We're going to get started here shortly. We have Mr. Isasi that's meeting with somebody right now, but as soon as he's done, we will get started.
Hello.
Okay, good morning. Once again, my name is Tony Gonzalez. I'm the judge of the Robstown Municipal Court. Today's date is March 22nd, 2023. The time is approximately 9:15, and we're on the record. Everything's being conducted via Zoom this morning. We are also having the proceedings being broadcast live on the court's YouTube channel, and the proceedings are being recorded live in the courtroom. Once again, I'm going to ask those who have not muted their device to please mute. That avoids distraction as far as background noise. So please mute your device. In addition, anyone who doesn't have their name showing on the screen, I ask that you please go to your device and change the name on the screen. A lot of you have either iPhone showing up on the screen or Samsung. we need to see who you are. So I ask that you please do this. I want to thank y'all for being here this morning. A lot more people were summoned to show up to today's pretrial, and they didn't show up, but you folks did. So I thank you for doing that. Today's docket consists of the pretrial docket. That means that you are here this morning because you've entered a plea of not guilty, and you've asked for a trial. You've either asked for a trial by jury or a trial before the court. Whichever it may be, we first have a pretrial. At today's proceeding, Mr. Isasi, who is the prosecutor for the state, he is present here today. If you want an opportunity to speak to the prosecutor, you will be given that opportunity today. Speaking to the prosecutor will allow you to discuss your case. If that's what you want to do, you can discuss any defenses, any excuses, any plea bargain agreements that you may want to discuss with the prosecutor. Today is the day to do it. The prosecutor is the one who brings the case on behalf of the state of Texas. He has the ability to negotiate a plea bargain agreement, which he will then present to the court for approval. If you come to an agreement with the prosecutor and the court approves that agreement, then that is the end of your case at this point. It will not proceed to trial, and you will either be placed on deferred disposition or have a straight out conviction, or in some instances the prosecutor may believe that a dismissal is warranted. The point being that speaking to the prosecutor is probably one of the best ways to try to get your case resolved here today. If you're unable to resolve your case with the prosecutor, then we will set your case for trial. You will receive a trial notice by mail, and you will ask to appear in court at a certain time. We'll be giving you plenty of notice of that court date. You also have the ability, if you don't want to speak to the prosecutor, to withdraw your plea of not guilty and come what's called open and do an open plea before the court. You also have that ability to do that today. Know this, coming open before the court and changing your plea, you are at the mercy of the court. After you change your plea in open court, whatever I decide to do, that's going to be the order of the court. Also, if you have any pretrial motions on file, today's the day that we will hear those motions. I have not seen any pretrial motions come before the court today, but if you had any pretrial motions, we would hear those motions here today. Now, some of you may be set to go to trial. You don't want to meet with the prosecutor, you don't have any pretrial motions, and you are ready to go to trial. If you found yourself in that situation, you can let me know right now. I will mark that you did appear today, and we will then send you a notice of trial. Is there anyone here today that knows that they are ready for trial, they don't want to speak to a prosecutor, and they have no pretrial motions?
I'm ready for trial.
Can you announce your name, please?
David Pena.
Okay, Mr. Pena, I will mark that you were present today. You announced ready, and we will send you a notice of your trial setting. Anything else, Mr. Pena?
No, sir, that was pretty much it.
Okay, and you are excused.
All right, thank you for your time,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Anyone else? Okay. Before we get started here, Mr. Isasi, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor, we're ready. Ready to go forward.
Mr. Isasi, I see at least one attorney in the courtroom here today. I know that Mr. Garcia probably has other cases to attend, so I'm going to ask that you please see him first.
Okay.
And everyone else, I ask you to be patient. Know this, that if you would have, this would have been a normal day where you appear in court, you would be sitting in my courtroom waiting for your case to be called. By way of Zoom, you are allowed to sit in the comfort of your home or your vehicle or at work, and multitask while you wait for your case to be called. So that's the silver lining of appearing by Zoom, okay? So I ask you to please be patient, and we will get to your case shortly. Mr. Isasi, I'm gonna go ahead and put you and Mr. Garcia in a breakout room.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, everyone else that's in the courtroom, I just ask that you wait patiently. I will be sitting at here at my desk. I will have my video off and my mute off while I work on some other things. But if you need to grab my attention, just say judge, and I will address you. Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. How can I help you? Sir, you're on mute, sir.
Oh, can you hear me there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my name is Felipe Flores, and I'm ready for trial.
Okay, so you want to meet with the prosecutor?
Not really, just wanna see what's gonna happen and go from there.
Well, Mr. Flores, you have 2 cases on the docket. You have
Yes, sir.
actually a number of cases: a failure to maintain financial responsibility, no driver's license, failure to year right or way, failure to appear, a failure to maintain financial responsibility, and changing lanes with unsafe.
Yes, sir.
Speaking to the prosecutor, you may be able to get some of these cases resolved
Okay, how can I do that?
by speaking to him.
Okay, and how can I do it?
It's going to be your turn here in a little bit, Mr. Flores.
Okay,
He's here today. In a little bit, when it's your turn, I will place you in what's called a breakout room with him, and you'll be able to speak to him.
okay, appreciate you.
Yes, sir. You need to go ahead and be put on mute.
So, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Hello?
Yes, sir. Mr. Flores. Yes, sir, Mr. Flores.
I don't know, something appeared on my phone, but you know what it is, or?
No, sir. You just need to wait patiently, and when it's your turn, we're gonna get you, okay? We're asking you to mute your phone. If you're not
Okay.
muted, then we ask you to mute.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you see, I was first.
That's okay, look. I'm up here.
Yeah, look, I'm the first name. Me, boom, boom, boom.
Then you're gonna go back to you.
Judge Gonzalez.
He's busy with some other people. He's talking to somebody.
Oh.
He'll go back. Don't worry.
Yeah, right. It even has safe driving mode and all that.
Mhm. Just stop messing with this. You're messing with her. But don't leave it. Let it far for the story.
You see this other guy left too.
Mm,
Yeah, he stepped out. Look. Here. I finally figured it out.
that's good, man. But
I know,
it's
but
good knowing, right?
I never knew how to mess with this thing.
It's real simple, baby. Once you know how to do it, take easy. You're gonna love it because you know what to do with it. And I wish and prayed you how to do it. 'Cause it leaves out
I know, but I wish I
frustration.
would have knew how to do it like from the start, right away. I would have been able to hear everything.
You could hear.
Sorry, you're just moving around. Oh.
These are
Those
mine, right?
those are the files. This is for today.
Today, I thought.
These are the
Oh, those are
dismissals.
dismissals.
So
Okay.
I'll put those back over here.
Okay, Mr. Isasi, looks like you're set up at another computer now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Cool. I don't believe there's any other lawyers in the courtroom. Are there any other lawyers in the courtroom? Okay,
But
then we're gonna go ahead and go through the docket, Mr. Isasi.
Yes, sir.
Court calls cause number 220700530, State of Texas versus Amanda Abrigo. Amanda Abrigo.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Miss Abrigo, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Isasi.
Okay.
Gotta say something?
You have to wait. That's somebody else, not you. You stopping anywhere?
That's stripes.
Mr. Isasi? You're on mute.
Here we go. Yes, sir.
Do you have an announcement on Ms. Labrigo?
Your Honor, we're going to reset her for another pretrial date. I tried getting a hold of the complaining witness. And I told her, we'd make one more effort before I decide what I'm gonna do with the case. Because she was pleading not guilty to it.
Okay, then we'll make a note that she needs to be reset. Okay. Court cause number 2207004682, State of Texas versus Jason Contreras. Jason Contreras.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Contreras, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Isasi.
Okay, thank you.
I'm sure you'll want to get started watching.
Actually, Mr. Isasi, do you have an announcement?
Yes, sir. On Mr. Contreras, he was able to provide a copy of a valid insurance at the time of the stop, Your Honor, so I'm gonna go ahead and dismiss that one.
Okay, is he gonna send you a copy of that for the file?
It's already in the file, Judge. I looked at it.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you.
Court cause number 2207003102, 2207003103, 2207003104, State of Texas versus Naomi Cuellar.
Yes, sir.
Ms. Cuellar, I'm gonna go ahead and place you in a breakout room with Mr. Isasi.
Yes, sir. That's fine.
Mr.
Judge, am I-
Contreras, you're free to go, Mr. Contreras.
okay, thank you so much. You have a good day.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Gonzalez.
Yes, sir.
This is me, Mark Elizondo. I was just I wanted to see how many people did you have in front? Because I'm here at my job. I work for a construction company. Our supervisor doesn't really like us to be on our phones. 'Cause we have a lot of work right now. So I just wanted to see how long it was gonna take. Because he had asked me right now how much
Mr.
longer.
Elizondo, you have 1, 2, 3, 3 people in front of you.
All right, I guess I'll just wait because he was just asking how much
Yeah.
longer, because we have a lot of work right now.
No, I get it. Let them know that normally you would be sitting in this courtroom having to wait. So
Yeah, that's what I told him. I usually,
yeah, it's because everybody here, you know,
yeah, I let him know.
here
I'm like,
that have to be at work, Mr. Elizondo. So I'm having everybody wait their turn because it wouldn't be fair to have one person skip over the next. You understand me?
oh yeah, of course. Of course,
Okay.
man. Yeah, I just wanted to, just ask you how much longer it was gonna
Yeah.
take because my
shouldn't- it-
supervisor. That's pretty much it.
Yeah, tell them it shouldn't be much longer. There's 3 people in front of you, and I don't even know if the other 3 people are even in the courtroom. I'll know when I call their name.
All right, man. I appreciate it.
All right, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Sasi?
Yes, sir.
Come
On
in.
Ms. Cuellar. Okay, I see she's back. Okay. What we're doing, Judge, is in return for a plea of no contest on both the 3103 and 3104. It'll be a 30-day deferred on each. On the 3104, it'll be a fine of $100 and court cost of 81. On the 3103, it'll be a fine of 125 and court cost of 81. On the no insurance, what I've told her is I prepared a dismissal on that because she's going to bring in this afternoon a copy of the insurance that she's telling me was valid at the time. And if that's the case, I've already prepared the dismissal and it's going to be in the file. And if for some reason it's verified that she didn't have it and it wasn't valid, then we'll proceed on that case.
Okay. Ms. Cuellar, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
All right, then the court is going to approve that agreement, subject to you bringing in a copy of the valid insurance on the date of incident. Ms. Cuellar, you need to come by the municipal court sometime this afternoon to sign off on the paperwork, okay?
Sounds good.
All right, thank you. You are excused.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day, sir.
You too. Court calls cause number 1908005-685 and 1912007-486. State of Texas versus Carlos Soto Costilla.
Oh, we took care of those cases, Judge. That's the gentleman that needed that payment plan. I think the girls took care of it already up front.
Okay. He had a number of cases, correct?
Yes, sir. We took care of, yeah.
Okay. All right, Mr. Elizondo, your case is up next. Court calls cause number 2207-004545, 2207-004546. State of Texas versus Mark Anthony Elizondo. Okay, Mr. Elizondo, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Isasi. Mr. Sassi, you have an announcement?
Yes, sir. On Mr. Mark Anthony Lizondo, in return for his plea of no contest on both these charges, it'll be a 60-day deferred. On the no insurance, it'll be a $200 fine and court cost of $81. On the expired registration, be $100 fine and $81 court cost.
Okay. Mr. Elizondo, is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the court will approve the agreement. Mr. Elizondo, you need to come by today by 5 o'clock or sometime tomorrow to sign off on your plea paperwork.
All right, man. That sounds great.
And by when can you have this paid, Mr. Elizondo?
I can stop by Monday tomorrow.
Okay,
I don't know what time I'll be getting out of here, but yeah, for sure
Okay.
tomorrow I'll stop by.
okay, then we'll see you tomorrow.
All right, man. I appreciate it.
Court calls cause number 23020000009, State of Texas versus Enrique Flores. Enrique Flores.
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Flores, I'm gonna go ahead and first I'm gonna change your name on your phone here real quick.
Yes, sir. I tried to change it, Judge, but I just didn't know how to do it on my iPhone. I typically use my laptop, but I'm working from the house today. I apologize.
That's all right. I'll do it here for you.
Thank you.
In a room with Mr.
Yes, Judge. Thank you.
Mr. Isasi, you have an announcement?
Yes, sir. On Mr. Flores, Judge, I'm gonna be preparing a dismissal on this case, Judge.
Okay, very well. All right, Mr. Flores, Mr. Isasi will prepare a dismissal. I will review. And if you want a copy of the dismissal, you can call the municipal court. I'd say give it a couple of days. And you can get a copy of that, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Okay, court calls number 1-800-000-0060-61-62-63 and 1-800-400-1914, State of Texas versus Felipe Flores. Felipe Flores.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Flores, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Isasi.
I'm in court.
Oh, is he here?
Yeah, he's here, Mr. Isasi. I'm gonna rename his.
Okay, I thought he was in a courtroom, which would make it a lot easier, because he's got he's got maybe about 15 cases.
Where's the food at?
Okay, well, I'll let you talk to him. Effie, and if it's something you wanna have him come in for, talk to him and then let me know, okay?
Yes, sir. I think that would be best, because he's got so many of
well,
them. If he's from Robstown, I
first.
think that would be better to go forward like that.
Talk to him real quick.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Isasi, will he be coming in?
Yeah, he's on his way, and he should be here for hopefully within 30, 40, 45 minutes.
Okay, I'll let you deal with him in person. Let's go to the next case. That's gonna be cause numbers 2108-001819 and 211-2003008, State of Texas versus Roberto Gonzalez.
Okay, we took care of his cases, Judge. I think that was Mr. Garcia's second client.
Okay. Very well. Court calls cause number 220700457 State of Texas versus Rosa Hernandez. Rosa Hernandez. Rosa Hernandez. Court cause number 22070044697 and 22070044699 State of Texas versus Tammy Hassel. Tammy Hassel. Tammy Hassel.
I'm here, Your Honor. I'm sorry. I
Oh.
thought I pushed the, I thought I pushed it, but I guess I pushed the wrong one. Sorry.
Okay,
But I'm
Ms.
here.
Hassel, let me go ahead and change your name on your screen. Okay, Ms. Hassel, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Isasi. You have an announcement, Mr. Isasi?
Yes, Judge, I've been speaking to Ms. Hasso. What I'm gonna propose is, I prepared dismissal on both these cases due to some family, medical hardship that she's going through. And also she's a single mother. So for those reasons, I'm preparing a hardship dismissal on her cases. However, I do want her to send me a copy of the, current insurance that she has on that vehicle so I can put in her file.
Okay, I will review that proposed dismissal. Let me get her. She's not in the room yet.
There she is.
Ms. Hassel,
Yes.
Mr. Isasi announced that he's proposing dismissals on your cases. I will review those dismissals. In the meantime, you're supposed to bring some documents in.
Yes, I'm gonna email it, Your Honor.
Okay, then once Mr. Isasi submits his proposal, I will review them and we'll notify you.
Okay, thank you so much. I appreciate you guys.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Court calls cause number 2207-004492, State of Texas versus Mario Jimenez. Mario Jimenez. Mario Jimenez. Court calls cause number 2207-004659, State of Texas versus David Ray Martinez. David Ray Martinez. David Ray Martinez. Mr. Isasi, the next case is John Garcia. I thought that was another case that he handled.
Yeah, that one we took care of it. Daniel Mendiola.
Yeah, but there was another case here that you said that Mr. Garcia.
I believe it was that Gonzalez.
Yes, that he was on that one too?
Yes, sir. Roberto Gonzalez.
Okay, because he's not listed as the attorney on there. Okay. Court calls cause number 2207-00491, State of Texas versus Rose Marie Peña. Rose Marie Peña. Rose Marie Peña. Court calls cause number 2207-00450, State of Texas versus Miranda Quiñones. Miranda Quiñones.
I think we took care of her, Judge. She came in and paid in full, and we put her on a 30-day deferred.
Okay. Court calls cause number 2207-004497, Erica Rios.
I'm here.
Okay, Ms. Rios. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mr. Isasi.
Okay.
Mr. Isasi?
Judge, in this case, Ms. Rios is still requesting a non-jury trial. And I told her we'd set it one more time for a PTD. And if at that time we're not able to reach the complaining witness at that point, I'll end up dismissing it at that point.
So you're asking for a reset?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. Ms. Rios, we will be sending you notice of a reset.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Court calls number 22070040091, State of Texas versus Carlos Salazar. Mr. Salazar,
Okay, good. They're not.
I'm gonna go ahead and put you in a breakout room with Mr. Isasi. I'm trying to find you here.
No, I couldn't change my name either on the phone.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and do it.
Okay, thank you.
Judge Gonzalez.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm Rose Pena, and I think I had court in the morning, and I didn't know I had court today. The reason I found out because I called, I never received the letter.
Let me see here, Ms. Pena. Okay, yeah, your case was called a little while ago. I'll go ahead and change your name on here, and we will call your case here shortly.
Okay, thank you.
Judge,
Yes, sir.
do you have my name there?
Real quick. What's your name, sir?
Cesar Sendejas.
Yes, sir, I sure do.
Okay, thank
Let me go ahead and change your name on your device.
you. Okay.
Mr. Isasi?
Okay, on Mr. Salazar, Judge, I'm gonna ask for a reset on this case. I've attempted to contact the complaining witness and, I told him that I'd reset it one more time and see if we can contact her. If not, we'll go ahead and dismiss it at that time.
Okay. All right, court calls, cause number 23020000010, Kendall Schroeder.
That's me.
Okay, Ms. Schroeder, I'm gonna go ahead and put you in a breakout room with Mr. Isasi.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
I think Salazar's still on there, Judge. I know you want to release him.
Okay, Mr. Salazar, you're free to go. You'll be receiving notice of the next pretrial. Yes, sir. Mr. Isasi?
Yes, sir. On Ms. Schroeder's case, in return for a plea of no contest, it'll be a 30-day deferred, $100 fine, and court cost of $134.
Ms. Schroeder, is that your agreement?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Ms. Schroeder, the court will approve that agreement. We need you to come by the Robstown Municipal Court. Do you live in the area?
I do. Yes, sir.
If you can come by the Robstown Municipal Court before 5 o'clock today or at the latest tomorrow.
It'll have to be tomorrow. I have a doctor's appointment at 3 o'clock today and class in Kingsville.
Sure, yeah, you can come by tomorrow.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You are excused.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye. Court calls number 16010056000010205 and 1702000538. State of Texas versus Manuel Segura. Manuel Segura.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Judge. Hey, I'm sorry, my video's not working. I'm on my work laptop. For some reason, it told me to reset it, the laptop, but I didn't want to lose my place in line or however it goes. I'm sorry about that. Not being rude or anything.
Okay, well, let me have you go ahead and raise your right hand.
Okay.
Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir, I do.
You are Manuel Segura?
Yes, sir, I am. 92674.
Okay, I'm gonna put you in the breakout room with Mr. Isasi.
Okay, thank you, Judge. Sorry.
You have an announcement, Mr. Isasi?
Yes, sir, on Mr. Segura. In return for his plea of no contest to, it's gonna be 16010056001, which is the no insurance. And then the 5602 is the expired registration. In return for his plea of no contest to these two, it'll be a 60-day deferred. On the no insurance, it's a 265 fine. His court costs are 269.30 for a total of 534.30. On the expired registration, it's $100 fine, court cost of 222.80 for a total of 322.80. And it'll be a dismissal on the remaining three cases.
Okay, so he's pleading out to the 01 and the 02.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Segura, is that your understanding of the plea agreement?
Yes, Judge Gonzalez, it is.
And will you be able to get that paid today?
I can't pay it today. I did explain to Mr. Asasi that I'll be able to pay it by the 7th of April.
April 7th. Okay, we'll put that in the agreement. Okay, I need you to come by the Robstown Municipal Court by today by 5 o'clock or at the latest tomorrow.
Okay, I can do that.
Okay, you are excused.
Am I able to leave?
Yes, you are.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank
Have a
you.
great day.
You too. Okay, court calls cause numbers 2206-001-1650, 1802-0000616, 1802-0000617, 1805-002-445, 1608-004357, 1608-004358, 1608-004359, 1601-106-065, State of Texas versus Isaac Shelton. Mr. Isasi, I'm going to put you, Mr. Shelton, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Isasi.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me? Hello?
Mr. Isasi?
Okay. On Mr. Shelton, Your Honor, in return for his pleas of no contest to 1650 and 1649. On case 1650, it'll be a fine of 230, court costs of 232.80. And on case number 1649, it'll be a fine of 110 and court costs of 213.30.
Is that 1659?
Let's see, I think it was 16, it's at 1650 and 1649.
I don't see 49 anywhere.
That's the driving while license suspended.
And it just may not be on the docket. Because I got 616, 617, and 445. Then I have a 650.
Right, on the 650, the 22 cases, he had three charges.
Okay, then it's not appearing, but okay, that's fine.
And then the failure to appear on that one, which is the 2702, that will be dismissed because he pled to these two companion cases.
Okay.
Okay. And then moving on to the 18 cases. On the let's see, on the 18, on the 0616 case.
Yes.
It'll be a fine of 114.90 and his court cost in the amount of 228.30 cents. And then on the 0617 case, be a fine of 125 and court cost of 188.30.
Okay.
And the failure to appear, case number 2445. That case will be dismissed, being that he pled to the two other companion cases.
Okay.
On the 16 cases, I prepared dismissals on those four, being that they're too remote to prosecute.
Okay. All right. Mr. Shelton, is that your understanding of the agreement? He's not in here.
I told him to come back into the courtroom.
Mr. Shelton.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Shelton, Mr. Isasi just read off the agreement where
Yes, sir.
you entered a plea on certain cases and he's dismissing other cases. Is that your understanding?
Yes, sir.
And Mr. Isasi, when are these to be paid off, Mr. Isasi?
He said he's gonna come in either this afternoon or no later than tomorrow and set up some payment plans with staff.
Okay, all right, Mr. Shelton, you need to be today by 5 or no later than tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you, sir. You are excused.
Thank you, sir.
Court cause number 2207004452, State of Texas versus Cesar Zentejas.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Zentejas, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Mr. Isasi.
Yes, sir.
Monday. Mr. Isasi. You're on mute.
Yeah, he never came into the virtual room.
Yeah, he came out. Yeah, I don't know what he did. But Rosemary Pena is here.
Okay.
She was we called her case earlier, but she logged on later.
Okay.
We call that case. Court calls number 2207004491. State of Texas versus Rosemary Pena.
Rosemary Pena, let me get her case there.
I'm here.
Okay. Ms. Pena, I'm gonna put you in the room with Mr. Isasi.
Okay.
Mr. Isasi.
Yes, sir. On Ms. Pena, the complaining witness is going to be bringing in a non-prosecution affidavit. And once I receive that, I'll prepare dismissal on the case.
Okay, well then in the meantime, we're gonna reset it until we get that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, Mr. Isasi, I believe you have some individuals waiting, an individual waiting for you outside.
Okay, let me go take care of him.
And on one of them, Mr. Isasi, on that last one that we did on Mr. Shelton.
Shelton, Isaac Shelton?
Yeah, Crystal informed me that he had already pled out on two of the cases on that first jacket.
On the 22.
Yeah, the only one that was left was the possession of drug paraphernalia.
Okay, so let me get rid of the Isaac Shelton.
I'm not sure what you did on the possession of drug paraphernalia.
That was the 22 cases, right? 22?
2206001650. He had already pled out on the other two and was on a payment plan on the other two.
Okay.
Miss Pena?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Isasi informed me that The victim in this case will be submitting a non-prosecutorial affidavit.
Yes,
When we get that affidavit, we're gonna go ahead and reset you. But if we get the affidavit before the next setting, we'll present it to Mr. Isasi for dismissal.
okay, all right,
Okay, thank
all
you.
right, thank you.
All right.
And Crystal, on Mr. Zentejas, he was present. He got disconnected. He waited patiently the whole time. So just do a reset on him. I don't want to issue a warrant for not showing up.
Okay. Yes, Judge.
Okay,
Yes,
all right.
sir.
We'll go ahead and the time is 11:48.